70,000 wallets per second. Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what I achieved with my crypto wallet finder app. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I unlocked this speed. If you missed part 1, where I built the app and got it running, you might want to check that out first. Otherwise, let's dive straight into the speed upgrade. I created this wallet folder where our app exists. Let's open it. As you can see, there are many files here, but you don't need all of them. You only need the app.exe file and the bitcoin.hex file. Before explaining how the app works, let me first show you the speed we achieved. And remember, this speed is on my laptop. It can go up to 1,000,000 wallets per second depending on your computer's configuration. My laptop has a dual-core i3 11th generation processor. If you have something stronger, the speed will go even higher. Just double-click the app, and the console will open. Wait a few seconds, it's loading the HEX file into memory. Then another console window opens, where you can see the start and stop buttons. To begin, simply click Start, and the wallet scanning begins. Now you can see the number of wallets being scanned in real time. At the end, when we click Stop, the app gives us a full summary. Let's run this for 1 minute. Okay, now I'm clicking Stop, and boom, the stats are here. As you can see, we scanned 5.4 million wallets in total, which took around 70 seconds. That's an average speed of more than 78,000 wallets per second. And like I said, with a more powerful processor, you can achieve scanning speeds in the millions. So how does this work so fast? Normally, if you use free APIs to check wallet balances, each request takes about 200 to 300 milliseconds. Even with paid APIs, you can only scan maybe 100 to 300 wallets per second. Here's where the HEX file makes the difference. The HEX file is simply a file that contains a list of Bitcoin addresses that already have some balance. Instead of checking them one by one through slow APIs, the app just loads this file into memory and scans through the addresses directly. You can download these funded address files from sites like privatekeys.pw and privatekeyfinder.io. Once you download the file, make sure to rename it to funded.hex before running the app. As you can see, here are the top richest Bitcoin wallets till now. Imagine getting the private key from one of these wallets. You would instantly become a multi-billionaire. So that's all for today's video. I haven't integrated GPU acceleration into the code yet, but I will update it soon. Make sure to join my Telegram channel to get the source code. In the next video, we'll be building a crypto mining app with AI from scratch. For that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.